up, y'all? It's your girl Coco Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Coco. So MAC Cosmetics, they have recently extended their lip gloss line. They have added 2 different formulas to their lip glosses. So MAC has their lip gloss that everybody knows. They call it their lip glass. It's known for like the glass-like finish. So they've added the Lipglass Air gloss. And they've added the Lipglass cushion oil, you guys. So I have picked up 2 colors of each new formula. So I'm going to go ahead and try them out for you guys. So if you all want to see how this goes, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to try out the Lipglass Air gloss, you guys. I got 2 different shades, as I was saying earlier. And I've got one in the shade Behaved. And the other one is in the shade Casual. So a little bit about the Lipglass Air gloss right here. The finish is described as non-sticky, and it still has that glass-like shine like the OG lip glass. The coverage is sheer, and then the coverage to the regular lip glass is buildable. So this one is just going to be sheer, but the key benefit is that it has all-day hydration. So the color right here is the Behaved color. They describe it as a light beige. And then the color right here is Casual. They're describing it as a dirty peach. And I like the applicator right here. It kind of has like a curved, like thick application. And I haven't tried on these colors before. So this will be my first time trying them out. So let's just go in. I'm going to go in with Behaved first. I'm just gonna go in with it without anything. Oh yeah, and it is really sheer, you guys, but it's cute. It's really cute. It's kind of like a milky pink color. It's like a milky light pink. And then to amp it up a little bit, I have a MAC lip pencil, and I have one in the color Cork. So let's add this. I generally add my liner before, but let's go ahead and, because it may not look as strong after, but I can still see it. It's cute, really cute. The liner definitely takes it to another level. So here is the color Behaved, you guys. So now let's go in with the color Casual. This is also from the Air collection. Just try this one on. It looks natural. It's like a really natural color. It gives you like a little bit of tint. It gives you like a little something something. But it's very natural looking. This would be cute for like every day. It's just like a nice, and that's what I kind of figured with this color, that it would be like a nice like everyday color for me, especially with my skin tone. I'll be curious to like what this will look like, because I know that this color will look pretty good like on any skin tone, especially if you use a brown liner, the Behaved color. But this is really pretty. I like this for the medium complexion girls. Light to medium. This is a really cute like everyday color. But to amp it up, I pulled out my MAC liner in the color Night Moth. This is like a, I probably should have grabbed Chestnut, but let's see this one. This is kind of like a plum color. Let's see. So it adds like another dimension. This is like another kind of like look, but it's still, you know, it's still like a deep liner, and it helps add like a contrast to the lip. So I probably would have reached for my Chestnut, which is just like a darker brown than Cork, but this is still like really cute. It's still a cute combo. And maybe I might want to blend this out a little bit. I feel like with your darker liners, you're not gonna blend it out. But I like this color. It's like a nice juicy lip color. So this is, I want to say Dirty Peach. That would have been a cute name for it. I don't know. Let's say I already have a lip gloss or lipstick named Dirty Peach. I like that name. But this is the color Casual, you guys. Okay, so now we're gonna check out the other lip glass formula, you guys. We're gonna check out the Lipglass Cushion Oil lip glosses. So I have 2 more colors for you guys to try out. I have worn this color before, but I have not worn this one. And I haven't worn neither one of the other 2. So first, let me give you guys some background on the Cushion Oil formula. The finish is described as high pigment and high shine, and the coverage is intense color payoff with these. And the key benefit is that it has a 72-hour hydration benefit to these. So not sure if I'm gonna put that to the test, but I'm definitely going to try these out for you guys. So the first color that I have is called Carbonated. It's described as a burnt orange with golden bronze pearl. And the second color that I have is called Tantrum, and it's described as a bright red. So they are 2 totally different colors. This one has like more dimension to it, so I'm gonna swatch them for you guys really quick. So this one is Carbonated, and then this one is the Tantrum color. They're both very, very pretty, and they both have that same applicator, kind of like that curved thick applicator that should go on the lip very well. I did want to let you guys know that your girl is a Club MAC ambassador, so I am a part of the MAC community, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link to all of the products that I'm using down below. So if you guys do use my link, your girl does get a small commission. So now let's go back and check out your girl Carbonated. I love the name. I love the name to this. Oh yeah, and it's really pretty. You can see that orange color on my lip. So the pigment is definitely there, especially for summertime. We are almost in summer, y'all. And it's a pretty orangey, pouty color. Very, very, very shiny. This is probably like one of the more shinier colors. The last color was shiny too. It was kind of giving me like more juicy. This color is like really shiny. I would wear this with like a kind of like the kind of look that I have on now. I would wear this with a with like a natural makeup look. You could also wear this without any makeup. But let's go ahead and add a liner to it. I have the MAC Lipglazer liner, and it's in the color Marrakesh. And let's add a little bit of a line. It's helping define the color a little bit, complementary to the color. So I don't want to go too dark, but you could also go darker if you wanted to define this color a little bit more. But it's really cute. It's really cute. This will be cute on top of a like a nude or like a peachy nude lipstick. It will be cute on top of maybe like a brown lipstick. Anything in like the brown, nude, peachy, you know, colored lipstick. I think that this would be a good topper because it's so shiny and it has that gold pearl in it. But I really like it. This was the only one that I've worn before, that I was telling you guys earlier, and I wore it a few times because I liked it. So Carbonated, you guys. So the last color I have is the girl Tantrum. She definitely looks like she's gonna make a big fuss, you guys. I'm loving this bright red. This definitely looks like it'll probably hold itself on its own without like any lipstick or anything. Let's go ahead. She doesn't need much of an introduction. Oh yeah, I knew it. Definitely very beautiful, very pretty. And I think this color was on back order, but I believe it's back now. But I think it was like out of stock. This seems like a universal color that would look good on pretty much everybody, any complexion. This is a perfect red color. It's a perfect red. Sexy, feminine, beautiful, glossy. It's moisturizing, very hydrating. I don't think that she needs a liner. I probably should have went in with this first, but I have the liner Cherry. Let's see. Yeah, she doesn't even need a liner. Let me go ahead and grab Chestnut just to show you guys like what it looks like against a deep dark lip liner. Here's Tantrum with the color Chestnut, you guys. It's still pretty, but I think that I prefer it without a dark liner. This gives it definitely like a more like nighttime kind of look, sexier kind of look, but I feel like it holds its own by itself. But let me know what you guys think. With the dark liner or without it, or do you like both? I went ahead and put back the color Casual right here, the air gloss. I put that back on with the Marrakesh lip liner. But that concludes this video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of these glosses. Are you guys gonna pick them up? Which finish do you prefer over the other? I feel like they both really were hydrating. They both were shiny. It feels like the cushions were a little bit shinier. I don't know, but all four are shiny. They all felt hydrating. This one has oil though, you guys. These don't, so maybe that's why, I don't know, maybe that attributes to maybe like the shine too. But all four of them I really liked. Some of like my favorites I think are the Casual and I guess Tantrum, but I really like all of them though. The Behave color will be really pretty for like going out. You could do even like a deeper, I could do Chestnut with this if you want to make it deeper, but I like the cork with it. But let me know what you guys think. I will link everything down below so you guys can just click and shop if you want to pick them up. I love you guys so much for watching. And until next time, you guys, take care. So in addition to their original lip gloss formula, they have added a lip gloss cushion and they have added a lip, let me see. So first I'm gonna try on the lip. Oh my goodness. They have added lip gloss. They have added two more. So they've added the lip glass. So they've added the lipglass. So Lipglass Air gloss. So first, who that is? Okay, so now